Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your global boy Pheng Thao. For those who are new, I'm a singer dancer, whether it is to originals or covers. So I will be reacting to a brand new video on my channel. I was debating if I want to do this one because originally I'm only reacting to a certain group in my channel, but you know, I was like, just here to try something new. So I'll be reacting to a new group. Is called a Hmong girl project group called Tshiab-What. I think they just recently dropped their new original song called "What You Wishing For," and yeah, uh, but first thing first, let me pull up the members because I don't recognize all of them. I only know two. Sorry, there's a fly here. I know Shannon and Pasha. I don't know them personally, but I've seen them before. I've seen Shannon at a K-pop dance workshop here in Minneapolis with Mr. Sun, the choreographer for BTS, came here a couple of years ago. And then Pasha, I've seen Pasha in MKDC's videos before too. And they both seem like good dancers, awesome dancers actually. But let me look. Okay, here they are. So this is Shannon, and so this is Alexis, Pasha. This is Nube, yeah, and then this is Cha. Okay. Let me get a couple more look just so I can recognize them. Okay, I think I should be good. I don't know what to expect from this music. Maybe K-pop element, the music wise, how it flows, rapping, the color vocals, and choreography. I think I missed anything. No, I think that should be good. So let's get started then. Is that Nube? Since she has blonde hair like the one in the profile? Yeah. She said, yeah. It's a good intro. What is that, Shannon? The blonde hair? That's Shannon. And that's Alexis. Yeah, it's a good intro. There must be... Oh, that's Nube. Oh, she has black hair now. I want a smoothie. Oh, rapping. Okay. Vocals. Of course it's catchy. The colors, the purple color, looks very bright, colorful, and pretty. I really like her purple strand here. Tell me what you're wishing for. One close. Beautiful designs. Oh, Shannon vocals. Rapper. The pre-chorus is good. Hey. I still want a smoothie. This must be the bridge. Let's go! High notes! In K-pop, there's no high notes in it, okay? So wanna 말해봐. It reminds me a lot of Genie. Okay, Girls' Generation. Okay, so that's just the credits. So I'll just pause there. So my thoughts and opinion. Music wise, it sounds good. It sounds kind of catchy. It reminds me a lot of. Okay, the music wise and lyrics wise, it reminds me a lot of ITZY and a little bit of Blackpink. The only Blackpink that's in so far is just when they yell "Gyeocheon," you know, because Blackpink in their songs they yell Blackpink, you know. But if I were to say singing flow wise and music wise, certain parts it sounds a lot like ITZY vibe. Especially the part where they say, I think is it everybody come on everybody something, and then they say come on, you know. It sounds very ITZY. Lyrics though, I don't know, to me I think lyrics could have been, I think it could have been just a little bit more. I just need a little bit more. It sounds a little bit simple for me. And in TBH, I was hoping to hear more Hmong words in that, but it's like majority English. But if they were to drop another song, I hope to hear a lot more Hmong words in it. But I mean it's not bad too for the English part. And then for vocals and rapping, vocals are good. Vocals are good. Rapping, I think the rapping could have add a bit more power and a little bit more swag in it. I think those three rappers still have like a little soft and light tone in them. So I want to hear a little bit more like a powerful tone in it. And let's see, talk about music, vocal, dancing. Oh, not dancing yet. Rapping, and then dancing. I can't judge on the dancing yet because I've seen only bits and bits of it. But it seems like the dance is very good. It looks good. But if anything, I don't think the song's that bad. It's not that bad. It's good for a fresh start. Yeah, good for a fresh start. I think if I give it a little bit more listen to it, then it'll probably get a little more catchy in my ears, and I'll probably give it a listen to more often if I listen to it more. So maybe looking forward to seeing more. But no offense, but I think this song that they made, it shows more of their vocals than the cover that they did for Psycho. I don't know, I think just the editing that I think the editing for Psycho just didn't do them justice. I think that's why it didn't sound as good. But if anything, their song here, it did then More Justice, and then their cover song. Oh my gosh, I can't talk at all. But yeah, that's all I can say for now, and I think I'll move that forward to the performance video too, because I see that they also have a performance video, so I will judge their and make comments on their dance on a different video. So I hope y'all like it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. So bye bye.